Hey, what's happening, guys? So today we're going to be unboxing the MacBook Neo citrus color. So let's see, front of the box or top of the box, citrusy color. Even the writing MacBook Neo has got that citrus logo, citrus in the back. And then I don't know if that's good to show, but it's the Touch ID version, which is, and this got the 8 gigs of memory and 512 of storage. So let's open her up. Okay. So you got even the little hello citrus. The level of detail. I don't know how this is coming through, whether it looks like a gold or it really does look citrusy, but yeah, very different color. So you got your two USB-C ports, your earphones jack, you got sound there, sound there. Let's see what else we got in the box. So card, MacBook Neo, all the little things to be aware of, there. And now you can tell what country I'm from. No, not the US, because I don't have a brick. I have to only got this little cable, but it works just as well. If you want the brick, it goes faster. And that's literally all that comes in the box. So if you guys have any questions or comments, let me know. Second one I've unboxed. The other one was that dark color. Now I've got the citrus. But yeah, if you guys have any curious questions or comments, drop it below and I'll happily let you know. Also, if you've got any video ideas, put it there. Otherwise, smash the subscribe button if this helped. Thanks for watching.